this what you are in the middle of the night?
The primary bedroom. It's one of the hero features of any home. So what makes for a good primary bedroom? Well, considering natural light, a well-proportioned space, good use of materials. But when you think about a bedroom, what is that key feature? It's the bed, of course. So today I'm going to show you how I like to style my bed. So here's the finished product, and I'm going to talk you through a few of my choices. You might have noticed I used 2 Doonas, and this is pretty standard for when I make the bed. I mean, some people think it's not overly practical, but I'm more about the finished product and how it looks over function at this point. So the 2 Doonas really just gives you that texture, and it's creating that layering, which is giving this sort of, luxe feel of this look. We have a beautiful pinstriped Doona here, and what I love about this is the colour. So it's got a darker stripe through it, which actually picks up the darker carpet here, so therefore we're connecting the 2 spaces. We've then got a lighter linen Doona, but together these colours are very complementary. We then have our throw, which you might have noticed is as easy as literally throwing it on. And the casualness of that just makes the bed look comfy. It's like you want to just jump into it. So in terms of our pillow story, we've got 2 Euros, and they're in matching pillowcases, and that colour is picking up the first Doona colour. We then have our standard cushions, which is in that pinstripe linen, and that's picking up the secondary Doona, so you've got that connection. And then I've got 3 accent cushions. Again, tonally, they all make sense with everything else that's going on. So we've got a plain linen, we've got a pinstripe, a different type of pinstripe, but the same sort of theme. And then obviously a lighter cream one, which is doing a very nice job of picking up our accent throw. Bedside styling, I've kept it quite simple today. We have some artificial greenery, but you could also use a fresh indoor plant, depends how good you are at keeping your plants alive. And then just a beautiful candle, again from a colour palette, all very complementary to not only the skin that's happening in the bedroom, but also my bed linen. And then on this side, I've just done a really simple book stack. I got these books from Kmart, super cost effective, but what I love most about this stack is the colours are complementary to the linens. It's all very neutral, and that's something I considered, so it all makes sense as a complete story. This also is just a really cost-effective ceramic vase, lots of those around at the moment, and just a little luxe crystal there for a little extra detail.